Hi there all, this is Deepak Kshatriya. Welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen. And today now I'm going to show you a beautiful and delicious Gobi Fry. In this recipe we use only 3 to 4 ingredients is more than enough for this, and believe me, it's one of the quickest and delicious dish. So without much ado, let's see how to do this yummy Gobi Fry. The ingredients required for this recipe are a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, and just half a teaspoon of dhania powder or coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, this is a degi mirch, and 2 medium sized tomatoes which are chopped finely, and 2 medium sized onions which is also chopped finely. Oil 3 tablespoon. The fresh gobi or the cauliflower, I have taken nearly 250 grams. First now what we have to do is you have to choose a very fresh kind of a cauliflower. Look, the florets are nice and firm. This is the indication that the cauliflower florets are beautiful, fresh. And what we need to do is we need to chop it down to a bite-sized pieces like this. Look, you can see this is the ideal size. We'll make everything like this, and here you go. I chopped all the cauliflower florets into bite-sized pieces like this, and this is now ready. There is one more important step. Let's see what is that. You can see here I added some water, and the water is boiling right now. In this water now what we have to do is we'll add nearly a teaspoon of salt, and gradually we'll add all the cauliflower florets in this. Don't skip this step because it is very important. If there is any insects or any pesticides present inside this cauliflower floret, the boiling water will completely wipes it off. So that is why this step is very crucial. Just give it a 2 minutes time, and now you can see it's completely done. We'll drain off the water and keep these florets aside. Here you can see I kept another pot to heat. In this we'll add nearly 3 tablespoons of oil, or else we can use some ghee also, even that will taste amazing. The oil seems to be nice and hot. Soon as the oil gets it, we'll immediately add the chopped onions. And saute the onions till it gets translucent. There is no need to make any golden brown color for this. Just translucent is enough. To fasten the cooking process, we'll add a half of the salt. Give this a mix. You already know that when you add salt, it will ooze out some of its moisture from the onions. Thus it will make the onions to cook faster. Look, the onions seems to get translucent. In this we'll add some turmeric and the ginger garlic paste. And saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Keep in mind the flame is all the way to medium. Look, the ginger garlic paste raw smell has gone. Now we'll add the chopped tomatoes. And now this is the crucial time that the tomato should get mushy or soft. You need to cook till then. Now we'll add the remaining salt. And we'll close the lid and turn the flame to low and allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the tomatoes completely get softened up. And now after 3 minutes, let's open the lid. And now you can see the onions and tomatoes are nice and mushy. At this point of time, we'll add the chili powder. You can always adjust according to your taste, and just a bit of coriander powder. Give this a quick mix. Make sure the flame is completely low, or else the powder may get burnt. This is perfect. And now we'll add the blanched florets. Give this a quick mix. And now to make the cooking even, we'll add half a cup of water. Even the steam from the water helps the cauliflower to cook evenly, and it gives a time to release all its flavor in the gravy. We'll close the lid and allow this to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on low to medium heat, and then the beautiful gobi fry will be ready. And now it's been nearly 4 minutes while it's cooking now. Let's open the lid. It's perfectly done. You can see the cauliflower has also been cooked to a perfection. This is too good. In this, there is a beautiful option, that's a pepper powder which has freshly crushed. If you add it at this time now, it will taste amazing. So I'm going to add a little bit of a pepper. If you don't prefer a lot of spiciness now, you can totally skip this one. So I like bit of a twinge of this pepper, so I'm adding it. And that's it. It's that simple. The gobi fry is now ready to taste. Look how classy and how beautiful this looks. Only I have used nearly 4 to 5 ingredients to prepare this, but believe me, it's so amazing and delicious. And it's go excellent with all sorts of chapatis, naans and any kind of flatbreads. And it's perfect with chapati for a breakfast. I hope you guys like this video. If so, you know what to do, right? You just go there, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon and touch the notifications to all. Then only you will get all of our updates. So we'll be back with another yummy recipe like this. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.